everybody. We have gotten back on trail after trail days, and it rained last night right after we got on trail, and there was a huge lightning and thunderstorm. It was really close to the shelter we were in, so that was kind of freaky. You can hear there's like loads of water this morning flowing everywhere because it rained a lot. Yeah, trail days was super fun. I was going to make a video of it and put it up here with these videos, but I ended up not recording anything because I was just having a good time and not really paying attention to the camera. We are finally getting our first taste of Pennsylvania rocks. And the most fun part about that is that everyone has been saying that they do not get bad until the last half of Pennsylvania. So this is just practice. Apparently this is nothing. This is so cool.
Look at this little street and the flowers.
Let's never leave.
Little like cove in there.
Wow. I can't believe we have swings. This is so cool.
So too. I know there's a swing here. I know.
Look at them side by side. Really?
There's flowers around the city.
Wow. This is insane.
Welcome to our home.
We live here now.
Here's property number 1.
Ooh.
That way. There you go. Got it.
How do you dance this? You gotta... That's like 70s, 60s. Is that how they did it?
Yeah.
I knew she was doing
Yes.
that.
You got it.
So the trail is still a river from when it rained the other day. Super wet all morning. Here's the trail, and there's another really big shelter over here. Well, cabin available for rent, but yeah, that's huge. And there's a big bridge going across it. So I guess they're mowing the lawn for the next half mile. And it's looking like this.
Alright, this is the one.
This is it. This is it. Oh gosh. You sure you still want to eat that?
Oh yeah.
The second I stop pressing record, it's gonna happen.
Oh shoot! I'm sorry.
Your beard is bad.
Give me more. Give me more arc.
Open
so
your
I can,
mouth more. Okay.
so I can
yeah.
catch
Okay.
it.
More arc. Ready? Oh! Oh! No.
From here, it looks good.
Yes!
Finally.
We'll just
do
cut
a
all the
potato
other ones
chip?
and pretend that was it.
Just cut all of them. And that will be
We are about, well, actually, I think we're like 0.2 past it. We've made it officially halfway, 1,196 miles, and I thought there was like a marker or something, so we're trying to see if there is. Oh, yeah. All right, so this is for 2018, but I guess it still counts. Appalachian Trail 2018 halfway point.
Dude, they added a whole mile.
halfway point.
Yeah, we made it. Congrats.
Yes.
What's up with the mile?
Official length.
Well, you haven't made it until you cross that stream.
He's filling up water first. How can we wait?
We are walking down a river, but there's all these little tadpoles in it. They're so cute. That one's swimming. You see him?
Yeah. I don't know why. They're sleeping.
They don't wake up till 9.
Me neither.
So we're thinking that all this stuff that's down right now might be from that storm from the other night. Because the lightning was hitting so close to where we were sleeping in that shelter. And the trail hasn't looked like this anywhere else. It all looks kind of fresh and new.
On my way home.
Ah! Stop it! Give me a warning. Stop!
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Gotta eat this ice cream.
Coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Woo! So we've got this building here. I don't know if it's the AT Museum, but the AT Museum is somewhere around
Got a
here.
nice grill.
Like in all caps, mansion.
Yeah, so that you know.
Campgrounds.
I didn't know it was a mansion.
And
Got a bulletin board out front.
we are going into Pine Grove Furnace State Park Campground General Store to do the half-gallon challenge,
Half-gallon challenge,
which I will not be doing.
which Chaunce will definitely be doing.
My stomach doesn't do well with ice cream, but Easy's gonna do it, and Ninja's gonna do it, and Jukebox is on the fence. I'm gonna be in,
I need to see how many scoops it actually is.
oh my gosh,
It's
so
a,
many.
I'll tell you what it is.
Believing.
It's a tub from a grocery
I
store.
know what you're
and
saying,
then a
but
pint.
I can't need to see it myself. Where I'm making the decision.
I'll tell you what it is. It is what it
Not
is.
just eating. I'm getting nervous.
They're open. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Not here.
We're complicated.
Oh.
What'd you get?
Interesting.
Neapolitan, baby. Yeah, I'm ahead of the game. Let it sit.
That's the second lowest calories.
Good.
160.
That's the one I want.
All right, people, show me the stuff.
Waiting for it to melt.
This is just part of it. They have to do a pint as well, but they didn't buy the pint yet because none of them are confident enough that they can finish.
Wow. I don't see you partaking in the ice cream challenge. So I don't
Yeah,
wanna
I got
hear
the
It's called smart.
I don't want to
I got the small cup.
What flavor is that?
Llamalicious.
Llamalicious?
Llamalicious.
Green.
Llama.
Obviously.
What a silly question to ask. All right, we're about to start. Ninja, what's your strategy?
Just the classic scoop and just elbow grease.
Juke?
Popsicle.
Popsicle.
Oh
Push
my
pop. Easy?
I'm going with the frozen classic roll.
All right. Stopwatch is ready. On your marks, get set, go.
Such an anticlimactic.
And they're off.
Music?
Oh yeah, I can do that.
Metallica.
I can do that.
Ice cream.
Come on, ice cream!
How long were you waiting for that?
I don't plan these things.
I got a brain freeze already. Ah!
Let's go hold your tongue to a routine.
All right, so it has been 10 minutes. We are doing a check-in.
It's so cold.
Everyone's cold. They've all put their coats on. There's Ninja. Juke. Easy's doing kind of pretty well. I didn't think you were doing that good until you started flipping it.
Taking my time.
Yeah, you guys are doing great.
Oh my God.
I have nearly finished my 2 scoops. Very proud of myself. All right, checking back in. It's been 20 minutes. Ninja, where you at?
I think I have like 25% left.
Okay.
Wouldn't y'all say?
How are you feeling?
I'm doing okay. I think I can finish it. I'm not gonna feel good after.
It's a marathon, not a sprint.
That's like I have like 37.5% left.
How you feel?
3.3.
I'm starting to slow down, but I'm gonna power through because
Just because.
Music still on MG. High school, they told her that she's not cool. She's still preoccupied.
It's a competition now. It started off. It's not much of a competition.
it's not a competition.
No, it's
25,
not a competition.
yeah, right.
25-minute check-in. The song changed and things got competitive.
I know.
I got a brain freeze. It's so bad. I know.
You're right.
But you never asked.
Getting your pint?
30-minute check-in.
We did it.
All right, time for the final pint. Right, so these are 1.5 quarts. So 3 pints, 3/4 of a gallon. So everyone has to do 1 final pint to go with it. So it's one of these and one of these.
I'm ready. Pint me.
It's all away.
I got a brain freeze. I have to like hype myself up to do this. Oh, it's so frozen.
Oh man, it's cold. I'm getting cold looking at it.
Come on and get your kicks now. You don't need the money when you look like that, do you?
I do better work inside of this.
I know.
Come on and get your kicks now. You don't need the money with a face like that, do you?
Did you get it all?
Yeah.
See this, America? Get your head in the game, people.
Welcome.
The Food Network.
America. In case you're wondering.
I have faith in Juke. I think she's gonna be. Not even she's gonna do it, but she's gonna come in hot at the end. You guys watch out.
Halfway.
All right, it is our 40-minute check-in. Ninja's stuck in a daze. And how much do you have left, Ninja?
Half a pint, probably.
There you go.
No more than half.
Juke's on to her final pint. Easy.
What's up?
How you doing?
I feel loopy.
I don't feel my best, but
Fireball, if you watch these, you've beaten all their times. Yeah,
Congrats.
43
It's not
minutes.
a race.
girlfriend, I'm impressed with you.
But yeah, we're all impressed.
It's not
with
a
you.
race.
We're all impressed.
It's not a race.
But at the same time, it's a race.
How you doing over there, good guy?
I'm nervous now.
I've been nervous.
Miracle fortune.
What do you mean you've been
I can't
nervous?
let
You
the
made it
people
this far.
down.
You're doing great.
Hurry up, gonna happen. I know what I need to do. I need to take it.
Just take it.
Take it.
There is no
Sacrifice myself.
What was that little grumble?
You're like a baby. Hurt me. Okay. You're asking for a lie here, coach.
I want sub 50 from my team.
Last fight.
I wish that were my last fight.
There it is.
We have a winner.
We have a winner.
All right.
Oh, there's still more.
Feel thankful she cleaned the restroom over there.
45-54. That's your time. Juke, 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 juke.
Yes. She's getting a little wind here.
No, you're not. You're gonna do it.
I'm gonna break my spoon. My titanium spoon.
I'm taking some.
Oh,
All right.
live right now
Live right now.
and just be yourself.
This is the final bite of the half
Doesn't
gallon
matter.
of the half gallon challenge.
Second to final bite. You got one more? Try again.
Ready?
Yep.
This is the final bite of the half gallon challenge. Take a good look. It's 47-43.
I thought he was gonna throw up just there. This is a view with those underwear.
Oh, look.
Help, I folded it. Help.
We just dropped off a bunch, so I'm hoping, we just dropped them off all nice and shiny and everything's clean when we pick them up.
Yeah, juke. Yeah, juke. Oh, we all did it.
Minus me. She did it! Wow, and the music stopped itself when you finished.
The crowd goes wild. She wipes.
Wait, come over me. I'm gonna need a doctor.
He's got his voice.
Spoon. I'm a
Wow.
member of the half gallon club.
Wow.
I'm shaking.
So excited I'm shaking.